Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to... Remember to wash your hands. Let's go. And you know, when you work on your gut thanks you. Welcome back. It's February now, and guess what we do in February? We drink a little. Pan de queso. Pan de queso. Pan de queso? Definitely not so. That's Spanish. I have a confession to make. I forgot to put the water in. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, quick like a bunny. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. No, not you. Darn it. Ah. Huh. Nope. I mean, what is a churro really? Is it the dough or is it the shape? Right now it's just, it's pineapple water. Welcome back. It's Dr. Faithfuldoc. Today we're gonna be doing some gut health stuff. Some more gut health stuff. Cheers. What does every girl want for Valentine's Day? That's it. Chocolate. But how can we make it healthier? Let's make it vegan and paleo. Is it low calorie? Not even a little bit. Getting toe up on a Sunday. Monday's gonna suck. I don't know where my jigger went. Put the lime in the coconut. Oh my God, this is some thick coconut milk. Hope this doesn't turn into a show because I'm getting trashed on a Sunday. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh, it's gonna be exciting. More spice, the better. And I just went everywhere. Sweet, love that for me. Foodie foods, foodies, deliciousness. I'm a master rapper, you know? I never thought working at Taco Bell would be so incredibly helpful at this moment.